All right, we're gonna go do our restaurant review of Entropia. And again, we've already eaten here, and it's definitely worth coming back. And then there's our man Sylvester. Hola! Hola! Hola, how are you? Good, good. We're here for a very good meal.
How are you today?
Very good, Sylvester.
Welcome.
Thank you.
La botana Entropia.
What's the special?
The special, it's camarones, shrimp in avocado cream, served with pan vegetable and rice.
Okay. What is avocado cream? Avocados.
Avocado,
Yeah. Okay, I know that.
Sorry for my English.
That's okay.
And have a look at the
And
menu.
the fish of the day?
Fish of the day, it's dorado, mai. Yeah.
Really good.
We try to always work with mai
Oh.
when it's possible.
It's delicious, that's why.
Yes.
I'll
Yeah.
have one of your margaritas.
Promotion of margarita,
And
we get 2 for 80. You remember?
Yes.
I'm gonna have the lemonade with
Lemonade,
mineral
Put 2 in a big glass for you. Okay.
in mineral water
Yes.
with sweet,
Yes, with sweet.
please.
Okay. I got for that.
What's that? So as you can see, just give you a quick look around here. I got my mask off because there's nobody here. We came early to beat the crowd. This is the bar. They have everything you need. Full transparent kitchen, nothing to hide. Notice everybody's wearing masks. They take it seriously. Later on, we'll see if we can go in and take a look.
No head.
Just the head.
The heads are on them too?
Yes.
Oh, my God.
So you can suck out the,
Exactly.
nice.
And you don't have to take his clothes off. It's already naked.
It's already, they take the
Do you want to
shells
split Dorado and the shrimp?
off. Yes.
Okay. So that's what we'll do. We'll split the Dorado and the shrimp.
Well, what is this that you're saying I need to get? What is
La
that?
botana Entropia. La botana Entropia, it's really local French recipe. It's something they do when my parents live. Normally they make it with Swiss, it's like a crepe, a French crepe, but a small one, and they make it with Swiss, the green of the Swiss chard, okay, like spinach,
Yep.
onion, salt, pepper. They cook it on the pan, and we serve it like 5 or 6 of this one with pesto on it, you know, and like cheese cubes. You can share it. You will love it. Nobody knows it, and everybody loves it.
All right, then we'll get that, and then we'll split the salad too.
Okay.
Which salad would you like to split?
He wanted the.
Can you just turn that down a little bit until people come?
No, the
You know
frosted
what we
people.
can do?
What?
When I turn it down, and after when you won't be recording all the
Yep.
time.
Yeah.
So when you want, I cut it down, and after I go normal on the sound.
No
Yes.
problem.
Okay. we
No
can do like
problem.
that? Okay. So let's go first with the botana Entropia, and which salad would you like?
The
This one here.
Cavalier?
Yep.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have the shrimp special, and he will have the Dorado.
Well, we're gonna split everything.
Yeah,
With Dorado.
but they need to know where.
Whatever Dorado special you have.
Mahi mahi.
I don't. Okay, so I can do it with a white wine cream or tropical way with a mix of mango, ginger, orange juice, mixed like a salsa. If you like salt and sour, you will love it.
Cream sauce.
All right.
Or we make it a fish roll filled with goat cheese and spinach in white wine cream too. All of this with my maid. Which one would you like?
I think we'll try the cream sauce.
White wine, yeah?
The white wine,
The
yes.
white wine cream sauce, okay. Un filete de vino blanco.
Perfect.
Muy bien. Okay, good.
Perfect.
Thank you.
So here's the kitchen transparent. What's your name?
Alejandra,
Alexandra. Can you introduce the rest?
Vicky, ¿cuál es tu nombre?
Vicky.
Vicky and
Hola, Has.
Haas. And in the back there? ¿Cómo se? Pablo?
David.
David. David. Okay. And can we take a quick look at what we're cooking here?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really good. Don't stop because of me. Like I said before, fully transparent kitchen. Absolutely nothing to hide. Really, really clean.
Así così.
And what do you call this again?
Botana Entropia.
Botana Entropia. It's very good. It's like a vegetable pancake with some local cheese. Very good. Very, very tasty. And then we got this salad here. Absolutely delicious with a little bit of bread with cheese, goat cheese, and honey, local honey on it.
We done?
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
Here's the Dorado. Here's the shrimp with the avocado cream sauce. This is the white wine cream sauce. Looks really good. We split both meals, so we each took a little bit of each on our plates. How's the Dorado?
It's very, very good.
Let's give it a taste here. Get some of that cream sauce on there. And a perfect bite. Oh man, that is really good. Really, really good. That was really, really good. All sorts of goodness inside that shrimp head. It was an explosion of goodness. That was a really good dinner, right?
It was still absolutely delicious. The best restaurant here in Zipolite.
Thank you so much. Sylvester,
Thank you.
that was really, really good. Thank you so much.
Number one restaurant.
Right.
Thank you.
But thank you so much. It was so good.
Thank you.
See you out there. Adios. Let's get a little nighttime street life as we're parting. Again, that was really, really good. And if you're in Zipolite, definitely eat at Entropia. That's right.
The first restaurant on the right as you come onto the street.
Right.
Look, there's the dog I fed last night.
He's a professional beggar.
He is.
They're doing El Pastor right there. Let's go take a look real quick. El Pastor? See? Very nice, very nice. No, we already ate.
Mañana.
Muy lleno.
Come mañana.
Ice cream bars. Ice cream. Very nice, very nice. That must be good.
Yeah, I know.
In case you were wondering, this whole scene's very bohemian.
It's definitely more quiet
Yeah.
than it has been all week.
How long do you think until they cut the power for this town?
Maybe
Any minute now?
Tonight might be okay.
Any minute now.
There's not a lot of people out here.
Right.
Not unless it's just early.
Es en la montaña, entonces por ahí es parte de mi mamá y ya más allá.
But I can tell you there's not many people with face masks on still.
Right.
Even though there's not many people here.
They do as they please. Remember, it's Mexico. Up to you.
Porque luego